Hey all, just some quick comments on your weekly assignment number one, the Knowledge, Wonder, Learn chart. I will go on, I'm not going to spend time on this verbal part here at the beginning because I'm going to send this out to you in an email. But essentially, I just wanted to let you know that I have updated all the grades on Blackboard. I still do need to do some tweaking as far as the actual grading is concerned, where you can actually then see your weighted total. I do apologize for the Google form that showed that this was an assignment for another class. I have come to feel that when I constantly see that from other professors, that they're not taking the time to update this for classes. So please know that that is not the case for me. This just happened to be an assignment that I did adapt part of it for this course. But you should not see that going forward. Anywho, so as far as the documentary here, I have an example of someone that received a 6 out of 6, and then at the bottom, I give an example of someone that received a 2 out of 6. If you had something in between there, you can pretty much look and see why you might have earned the grade that you did. I do have high expectations, but one of the reasons why I have individuals submit through the Google form for this is because I like to see what are the expectations that I should have. So like I said again, I have high expectations, but if all your classmates do below what I think everyone should be doing, then I'm going to lower my expectations just a bit to make sure that a good amount of you, let's go with the bell curve, are the ones receiving the 6s, and then on down to 0. But the lowest grade on this was a 2, apart from quite a few students, 4 or 5 that didn't turn any in. So that said, if you have any questions on your grades, please let me know. I say a little bit about this in the blurb up here, but basically what I was looking for, I wasn't looking for things about in the want to know, or what I know, because you might not know anything, and you might know a lot. So that wasn't the part that was gonna get you dinged. What was gonna get you dinged is if you had only so many questions, they didn't seem like thoughtful questions, or if you tell me you didn't learn a whole lot. I know that I've asked students what the best documentary they have seen on Hurricane Katrina for probably 2 to 3 years now, and this comes out the best one. Sorry about that. This comes out as the best one every time. So, although I'm always on the lookout for new ones, which is why I asked the extra credit ones. Also, you guys, a note on extra credit. If I offer extra credit, you should undoubtedly take it. It shows me 2 things. One, that you care enough to do it because you want to learn or know. And then you also, just as an opportunity for extra credit. So, that being said, let's see what else I have. Again, read through my notes up there as far as the job announcements. So that assignment is worth 8 points total. The first part's going to be 3 points, and that is due in about 6 minutes. So hopefully that is fine for you guys, or no one's had any issues, because I haven't got any emails about that. The second part will be 5 points. So just as this KWL chart, make sure that you answer each question in depth. And when I say anything else comes to mind, I don't want you spitting out 1 or 2 words. But really think about this. The whole idea behind these assignments, and the reason I do these weekly assignments, and even why I do these assignments as opposed to other ones, is I just really want you to think and dig in, and hopefully you'll take stuff from this class that will actually sink in and not just be rote memorization. So I will stop babbling. So if you have any questions, again, please feel free to email me. I am available. And let me just check my notes here to make sure I have nothing else. No explanation on extra. Oh yes, the extra credit was worth 0.5 points. It has already been included. So the highest that you could get for this was 6.5, and again, I've already have that in there. If you gave me no explanation and just a link, you got no credit. Okay, that is it. Okay, you guys have a great evening. Bye-bye.